And political war of words over the Maha Vikas Aghadi's EVM conspiracy charge that continues to escalate. Both Mahayuti and MVA at loggerheads over EVM conspiracy. Joining the machine debate, EVM machine debate, NCP Samaj, Sharad Pawar, in fact, the SP faction of the NCP, launched a scathing attack at the Mahayuti. Sharad Pawar went on to claim that there is a trend that opposition parties are winning small states. BJP continues to win the big ones. BJP is hit back, accusing the Maha Vikas Aghadi of insulting wise voters of Maharashtra, quote unquote. The Saffron clan further went on to say that it's a habit of the opposition to make these remarks after every poll defeat. Remember, several opposition leaders have alleged EVM tampering, claiming the process was unfair and lacked a level playing field.
4 महिन्याच्या पूर्वी एक निवडणूक झाली हरियाणा आणि जम्मू काश्मीर. त्याच्यामध्ये जम्मू काश्मीरमध्ये भाजपच्या विरुद्ध जे फोर्सेस आहेत आमच्यासारखे त्या सगळ्यांना यश आलं आणि हरियाणा भाजपा केली. तर त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी निवडणूक जी झाली झारखंडमध्ये काँग्रेसचा यश आहे आणि इथं अपयश. त्यामुळे एक लहानसं राज्य यशासाठी आणि मोठं राज्य सत्ताधाऱ्यांच्या नावात असा काहीतरी वेगळा गमतीदार खेळ दिसतो.
Vidya getting in more details in that big story this morning. Vidya, this is the EVM charge and these allegations really refuse to die down. The Mahayuti also mocking the Maha Vikas Aghadi, saying that this is now a habit with you. With that statement from Sharad Pawar saying that there is a pattern. Smaller states, opposition tend to win. Bigger states, the BJP takes it away.
Well, allegations certainly are galore. I mean, after every election, even right now, after the Lok Sabha election, there are 4 petitions that were filed before the Bombay High Court concerning elections in and around this particular area of Mumbai, Thane, Raigad area. Just around this area, there are 4 petitions. So it is expected that there will be more, legal action taken by people, and there will be election petitions filed soon. As soon as, there's a time frame for that. There's about 45 days that is there for people to contest any particular election results, and many of them do concern the EVMs as well. Like, for example, if you remember, there Ravindra Vaikar, one of the candidates from Mumbai, he had won by 48 seats, and Amol Kirtikar from UBT, who had lost the election, he's challenging that particular EVM counting and from the parliamentary election, and that petition hearing is still going on. So after these allegations are leveled, there are legal action also taken up against those particular candidates who have such issues. They do take. So we will be seeing more of these, not just allegations, but also legal action being taken soon after this election as well.